Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook 2-star or more food in Heartopia. So, have you ever wondered how to cook 2-star or even 5-star food in Heartopia? So, here's the easiest way. So, in Heartopia, higher star dishes are much more valuable. They sell for better price and restore more energy when you eat them. And to make higher quality food, you will need an item that called amazing seasoning. You can buy it from the chef Massimo for 2 wishing star each. And when you are cooking, just simply add amazing seasoning to your recipe before you start. For example, in here I want to cook milkshake like this, and then in here I want to add the amazing seasoning. This one, just click on it, and then after that, this amazing seasoning will give your dish a chance to become 2-star or higher, and if you are lucky, it can even reach 5 stars. But just keep in mind that amazing seasoning only becomes available after your cooking hobby reaches level 6. So if you haven't unlocked it yet, just level up your cooking hobby first. And then, okay, in here I want to just start cooking like this. And okay, like this, you can see you will get the 2-star food. And okay, that's it. Now you know how to make better food in Heartopia. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!